Ever wondered if you're wasting time doing cardio to lose fat? What if I told you there's a better way to use cardio based on science to maximize fat loss? Stay tuned because today's video will reveal exactly how you can make cardio work for you, not against you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Phill Kanne, and today we're diving deep into the science behind using cardio for fat loss. We'll debunk some common myths, explore the latest research, and offer a step-by-step guide to help you get the most out of your cardio sessions. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our latest tips and tricks for a healthier life. The misconception about cardio and fat loss. How much cardio should you do to lose fat? Some say you don't need any, while others insist you should do it every day. But what's the truth? Let's first understand how useful cardio really is for fat loss. Cardio is fantastic for heart health and longevity, but when it comes to fat loss, it might not be as effective as you think. The common belief is that burning 300 calories through cardio results in a 300 calorie deficit per day. However, Herman Ponzer's 2016 research introduced the constrained energy model. This model suggests that your body compensates for the calories burned during cardio by conserving energy in other areas, like taking fewer steps or reducing involuntary movements throughout the day. This compensation effect means that people who start doing cardio without changing their diet tend to lose only 20 to 50% of the weight they expected. Even high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and sprints, often promoted as superior fat loss methods, have shown minimal effects compared to moderate intensity exercises. A study by Daniel Plotkin and colleagues found no significant difference in fat loss between high-intensity training and low to moderate intensity aerobic exercises over 8 weeks. So, does this mean cardio is useless for fat loss? Not at all. It just means we need to use it strategically. Using cardio effectively for fat loss. To make cardio work for fat loss, we need to combine it with an appropriate diet. A recent meta-analysis ranked various fat loss protocols, showing that the most effective methods always involve some form of exercise combined with dietary changes. Think of cardio not as the sole method to lose fat, but as a supplementary tool to enhance your diet and strength training efforts. For practical advice, we turn to professional bodybuilders who have mastered the art of fat loss. Alberto Nunez, a drug-free professional bodybuilder, prefers extending his diet rather than relying heavily on cardio. However, he acknowledges that some cardio can aid in recovery and allow for a slightly higher caloric intake. Interestingly, daily step counts play a significant role in their cardio plans. Maintaining a consistent step count helps avoid lethargy that can slow down fat loss. For most people, starting with 7,000 steps per day, as suggested by Alberto, is a good baseline. This daily activity ensures you're not too sedentary, which can hinder your progress. Lee, another natural bodybuilder, combines 10,000 daily steps with 4 weekly strength training sessions and 30 minutes of cardio 5 times a week. This combination not only helps achieve very low body fat levels, but also supports mental well-being by allowing for a slightly higher food intake. Types of cardio and adjustments. When adding cardio, focus on low-impact exercises like cycling or using an elliptical. These options minimize fatigue and help maintain strength during strength training. Remember, the goal is to complement your diet and strength routine, not replace them. How can you choose the type of cardio that best suits you? Let's explore some popular options. Cycling. An excellent low-impact option that can be done outdoors or on a stationary bike. It's easy on the joints and can be adjusted for different intensity levels. Elliptical. Another low-impact option, the elliptical provides a full-body workout without putting much pressure on the joints. It's ideal for those looking to avoid injuries. Brisk walking or incline walking. Walking at a brisk pace or on an incline treadmill can burn many calories without the negative impact of running. Additionally, it's an easy activity to incorporate into daily life. Swimming. A low-impact exercise that works the whole body and is great for those with joint issues. The water resistance increases workout intensity without causing joint wear and tear. Dancing. If you enjoy moving to music, dancing can be a fun and effective way to do cardio. It involves many muscle groups and can be adjusted for different intensity levels. As you progress and hit plateaus, you can choose to further decrease caloric intake or increase cardio volume. This method ensures steady progress without drastic lifestyle changes that are hard to maintain. Long-term cardio strategy. It's crucial to continue some form of cardio even after reaching your fat loss goals. Stopping cardio abruptly can lead to rapid weight regain. Dr. Eric Helms, a renowned fitness scientist, emphasizes the importance of maintaining a certain level of activity after dieting to prevent this regression. Just 150 minutes of activity per week, including strength training, can help regulate hunger and maintain your new weight. How can you ensure you continue doing cardio long-term? Here are some tips. Choose activities you enjoy. The key to consistency is finding exercises you actually enjoy. Whether it's outdoor walks, dance classes, or swimming sessions, choosing something you like will increase your chances of sticking to the routine. Set realistic goals. Establish cardio goals that are challenging yet achievable. Start with small objectives and gradually increase intensity and duration as your endurance improves. Incorporate cardio into your daily routine. Find ways to add more movement to your day. Use the stairs instead of the elevator, walk during work breaks, or take a brisk walk after meals. Vary your workouts. Avoid boredom by changing your cardio activities regularly. Try different types of exercises and alternate between them to keep things interesting and challenging. Involve friends or family. Doing cardio with friends or family can make exercise more fun and help keep you motivated. A workout partner can provide support and accountability. The importance of strength. Training and cardio combined. The reason why strength training is so important during fat loss is that it helps preserve muscle mass. When you're in a caloric deficit, your body needs energy and can choose between burning fat or muscle. Strength training gives your body a reason to keep the muscle and burn fat for energy. Combining diet with resistance training is one of the most effective strategies for fat loss. Studies show that this combination outperforms diet and cardio alone, helping to maintain muscle mass while losing fat. Strength training also increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Practical tips for a successful cardio plan. To implement an effective cardio plan, follow these practical steps. Start with a daily step plan. Set an initial step goal, like 7,000 per day. This will help ensure you're not sedentary and keep your metabolism active. Gradually, add cardio sessions. Once you're comfortable with your daily step goal, add 2 to 3 20-minute cardio sessions per week. This will increase calorie burn and accelerate fat loss. Choose low-impact exercises. To minimize fatigue and avoid injuries, choose low-impact exercises like cycling or using an elliptical. These exercises are effective and easy on the joints. Monitor your progress. Use an exercise journal or an app to track your progress. Keep track of your cardio sessions, daily steps, and changes in body composition. Make adjustments as needed. If you hit a fat loss plateau, adjust your diet or increase the duration and intensity of your cardio sessions. This will help maintain progress and avoid stagnation. Maintain consistency. Consistency is key to long-term success. Find ways to make cardio a regular part of your routine and stay motivated with personal goals and rewards. Now that you know how to use cardio effectively for fat loss, let's talk about nutrition. Ever wondered, how many eggs can I eat per day? Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and nutrients, but how many is too many? Click on the next video to find out how to incorporate eggs into your diet for optimal health and muscle gains.